Welcome back to Bike Update. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Yamaha MT-03, a naked street fighter that continues Yamaha's dark side of Japan legacy with sharper styling, refined performance, and everyday usability for new and experienced riders alike. Aggressive street fighter design. The 2026 Yamaha MT-03 stays true to its muscular naked bike identity. The front end looks more aggressive than ever, featuring a compact LED headlamp, sharp tank extensions, and a minimalist tail section. The sculpted fuel tank and exposed frame give the bike a raw, street-ready presence, while updated color schemes enhance its modern appeal. Engine and performance. Powering the MT-03 is a 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine designed for smooth and responsive performance. The engine delivers strong mid-range torque, making city riding effortless while still offering enough punch for highway cruising. Yamaha's refined fuel injection ensures smooth throttle response and improved fuel efficiency, ideal for daily commuting and weekend rides. Lightweight chassis and handling. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 MT-03 is its lightweight diamond-type frame. The compact chassis combined with a short wheelbase makes the bike extremely agile and confidence-inspiring. Whether navigating tight city streets or carving through twisty roads, the MT-03 feels stable, balanced, and easy to control. Suspension and braking. The bike comes equipped with upside-down front forks that improve front-end feedback and overall ride quality. At the rear, a monoshock suspension handles bumps comfortably. Braking duties are managed by disc brakes at both ends, paired with standard dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety and controlled stopping power. Rider comfort and ergonomics. Yamaha has designed the MT-03 with an upright riding posture, wide handlebars, and a comfortable seat height. This makes the bike accessible for shorter riders while still providing enough room for taller riders. The ergonomics strike a perfect balance between sporty and comfortable, suitable for long rides as well as daily use. Technology and features. The 2026 Yamaha MT-03 features a fully digital LCD instrument cluster displaying speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and trip information. Smartphone connectivity via Yamaha's app allows riders to access call alerts, ride data, and maintenance updates, adding a modern touch to the riding experience. Fuel efficiency and practicality. With its efficient engine and lightweight build, the MT-03 offers excellent fuel economy. This makes it a practical option for riders looking for a stylish yet economical motorcycle. The fuel tank capacity supports decent range, reducing frequent fuel stops during city commutes. Safety features. Safety remains a priority with dual-channel ABS as standard. The predictable power delivery and stable chassis also help new riders build confidence while maintaining safety at higher speeds. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha MT-03 is a perfect blend of aggressive design, smooth performance, and everyday practicality. It's an ideal choice for beginners upgrading from smaller bikes and for experienced riders seeking a lightweight, fun, and reliable naked motorcycle. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more motorcycle news, reviews, and updates.